uh, factors affecting location of and relief. तो सबसे important factor is latitude, right? So in terms of latitude and longitudinal extent of India, you have Tropic of Cancer if you have to see. Now, Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of India. Oh yes, there is a map, and but the Tropic of Cancer is not shown in this map. Here you can see this line on the screen. Here you can see you are able to see a line. This is Tropic of Cancer. Understood? And right. So you can see Tropic of Cancer passing through India, which we have already shown you now. And then uh, further, uh, this this particular line that you are seeing, this is Tropic of Cancer. इंडिया के बीच में से जा रहा है. मेजर सिटीज का नाम लिखा हुआ है जहां से वो जा रहा है. एंड व्हाट डू यू फाइंड कि इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मैप, let's look at this one. You can see how many states are being crossed by Tropic of Cancer: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. The advantage of this map is that you know all the states which are touching Tropic of Cancer. North of Tropic of Cancer, temperate zone. Hmm? South of Tropic of Cancer, tropical zone. So this line becomes the dividing line between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This part Tropic of Cancer, this part Tropic of the temperate region that we have to study. One thing very good that you just now told me was that uh, South India will be more warmer because it is nearer to the equator and it lies in the tropical zone, and the areas in the temperate zone will be colder. So with this we come to the next important topic, Himalayan mountains. So if you look at the Himalayan mountains, they are a very effective uh, climatic divide. North of Himalaya it is very cold. South of Himalaya, because of presence of Himalaya, a lot of the cold winds cannot come to India, except in the winter season. Some of them may cross the Himalayas, like the cold waves at present in Delhi. It comes from across the Himalayas. So usually it's a very effective climatic divide because it saves us from the cold winds of Arctic region. And Himalayas also help in trapping the monsoon winds. The direction of the monsoon winds, if you see, is changed by the presence of Himalayas. And because of Himalayas, it does not let temperate climate develop north south of Himalayas, and in that particular area, the monsoon winds are able to reach. So monsoonal climate is able to influence the whole of the country, though a part of India may be lying in the temperate region. Now, if you look at distribution of land and water, you will find that there is water everywhere. You may have heard about Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. All of them are existing on the three sides in the south. And you also have continuous Himalayas ranges, the ranges of Himalaya, Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks, which are present in the north. So India is a subcontinent. India belongs to a subcontinent which may contain other countries also. And differential heating of land and sea will also influence the uh, movement of the winds. And if this differential heating of land and sea is one cause because of which monsoon comes. If you see, monsoon is an Arabic word which means season, in which there is seasonal reversals of the wind. Now, we come from to another concept, that is distance from the sea. So distance from the sea, if you want to understand that India has equitable climate towards the coastal area. Coastal areas में moderating influence of the sea हो जाता है, तो equitable climate हो जाता है. जितना हम इक्वेटर से दूर जाते हैं उतना एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट होना शुरू हो जाता है. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट. ठीक है, इक्विटेबल क्लाइमेट एग्जाम्पल वुड बी मुंबई एंड Konkan, because there are hardly any extremes. But when you look at Delhi, when it is summers, it is extremely hot, and when it is winters, it is extremely cold, just as you are experiencing today. And all areas of Amritsar also and Kanpur also experience the same. Why? Because they are away from the sea. So for today's class, I think uh, I'll not. We'll be stopping the